Hey friends, we are working on math lesson 5.9. That is on page 261 with your math pages. Our question that we're thinking about is how can drawing a diagram help when solving subtraction problems? So here's our question. Jane and her mom made 33 puppets for the craft fair. They sold 14 puppets. How many puppets do they still have? So let's unlock that problem. What do I need to find? I need to find how many puppets do they still have? How many puppets? They still have. So what information do I need? Let's see, they made blank puppets. They made 33 puppets. And they sold, let's see, that sentence is right here. They sold 14 puppets. So this is how we're going to show the solution to the problem. Remember this whole part diagram. The whole amount, what everything is all together, they made 33 puppets. That's what they have in whole altogether. A part that they sold was 14. So if I know what the whole is, and I know that one of the part is, I know that I need to do a subtraction problem to figure out what's missing here. So 33 take away 14 equals that unknown number. I'm going to set that up as a subtraction problem. Not with a stick, I'm not. 33 take away 14. Now, I start with 3 in the ones column. Can I take away 4? No, I only have 3 up there. So I'm going to regroup in the tens column. Going to make that a 2 and bring the 10 over here into the ones column. So now I have 13. 13 take away 4 is 9. 9 and 2 take away 1 in the tens column is 1. So what's left over? 19. There are 19 puppets that they still have. Okay, turning over to the back of the page. We're going to try another problem. We're going to label the bar model, write a number sentence with a box for the missing number, then we'll solve it. So these are the questions I need to keep in mind. What do I need to find? What information do I need to use? Okay, Carlette had a box of 46 craft sticks. She used 28 craft sticks to make a sailboat. How many craft sticks were not used? Okay, well, I know that we started out with a whole number. That's what they told me. She had a box that had 46. That's the whole amount. And she used 28, so she used part of the box. So one part is 28. And how many craft sticks were not used? That is an unknown answer. So if we started with 46 and we used or took away 28, that's our unknown number. Can we do that subtraction problem? Sure. Let's go ahead and set it up. 46 take away 28. Starting in the ones column, always starting our subtraction in the ones column. If I have 6, can I take 8 away from it? No, I'm going to regroup. So go into the tens column, regroup that 4, bring a 10 back over into the ones column. So now I have 16, take away 8 is 8. Now into the tens column, 3 take away 2 is 1. So my answer is 18 craft sticks are left over. That's the other part that was missing. There we go. And in number 2, let's do the same thing again. We're going to use this bar model to figure out what we have, what we need, the whole thing. So, Rob's class made 31 clay bowls. Sarah's class made 15 clay bowls. How many more clay bowls did Rob's class make than Sarah's? Okay, there's a big box here and a smaller box here. I see a big number here and a smaller number here. Rob's class made 31 clay bowls. Sarah's class made 15. So I need to find out what the difference is, very much, between these two classes. To find a difference, how many more, how many less, what's the difference? I do subtraction. So I'm going to start with a larger number first, subtract the smaller number, and whatever's left over is that part right there. That's the difference between how many more clay bowls Rob's class made than Sarah's. So let's do that math. 31, take away 15. If I start with 1, can I take 5 away? No. So I'll regroup the tens. Bring that over here. 11, take away 5 is 6. 2, take away 1 is 1. So 16 is this unknown amount. 16 is the answer to the problem. So Rob's class made 16 more clay bowls than Sarah's class. They made 31 altogether. Her class made 15. So the difference, the amount that their class made more, is this amount, 16 more clay bowls. Now in this first one, thinking about this math talk question down here, in question number 1 it says, how do we know that in exercise 1 is a takeaway problem? Well, when I read the words, that's why word problems in math require you to do some extra steps in thinking. You have to comprehend the question. So I imagined what was going on here. Carlette had a box of 46 sticks. She used 28. That means she actually reached in and took out craft sticks, and she took out 28 of them. And how many were not used? How many were still in that box? Well, I know that that's a subtraction problem. If I start with a whole and I take away part, that's a subtraction problem. So that's the end of that one. We will work more together in class. See you later.